Hello, and welcome back to another edition of Carrie's Gardening Channel. And I'm going to be planting some silver dollar eucalyptus. Now, I managed to finally find this variety of eucalyptus here, and I'm really happy about that. I've been looking for it for years, and whoops. Okay, some of the seeds were up at the top, and I don't know where all they went. Oh dear. But I've been looking for this variety for a long time, and I'm happy that I finally found it. Okay, so you can see what eucalyptus seeds look like here. And I'm just going to be surface sowing these here. 1, 2, 3, 4. And the next thing that I'm going to do then is, I don't have a mister in here, but I'm going to be taking them out to the greenhouse. We're going to put a gentle mist of water over the tops of these to make sure that we get the seeds nice and moist. And then we're going to be putting them down on the heated floor, and we're going to let them germinate. Now these germinate in about 14 to 21 days, 65 to 75 degrees, and I have a lot of different varieties of eucalyptus that I grow, and you can check out those on my channel because I have all different kinds. We have the baby blue, we have the silver drop, the bookleaf molly. We lost the lemon gum when it got real cold out. We lost that in the greenhouse, but I'm trying to think. I think that's all the varieties I grow. I have them on my channel. You can check them out on there. So when these start coming up, I will come back and I will show them to you. So we'll be back. Okay, so today is February the 5th, 2023, and you can see the silver dollar eucalyptus seedlings are coming up. We're still waiting for the other two to come up, but this is how we germinate our seeds here. My floor has radiant heat in the floor, so we germinate the seeds on the floor, and once they start germinating, we move them up to the shelves up here, and then we put them under our lights. So the lights are on for 14 hours a day, and it gives them the light that they need to get our nice strong growth. And I'm gardening in Pennsylvanians on 5B, and like today it's kind of sunny out, but we were getting a lot of cloudy days with snow, and my seedlings weren't getting the light that they needed. So we went ahead and put in artificial lighting. So I'll put a link down in the description for the lights that I use. So as soon as these start getting their true leaves, I'm going to start feeding them with 1/4 teaspoon of Miracle-Gro all-purpose plant food to 1 gallon of water. And they'll get fed that one time a week. And you never want to feed a dry plant because you can burn the root system on the plant. We don't want to do that. So as these continue to grow, I'll come back with more video updates and I'll show them to you. So if you like my video, please like, comment, subscribe. Please don't forget to hit the little notification button. I'll try to put a new video on. Also follow me on Twitter. I'll have a link down in the description for my Twitter account. Thank yous for watching, and have a nice day. Bye!